How to add animated text to your video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now click on new project right here, or just choose from your drafts. As you can see right here, I already have this video. Now I'm just gonna click on it like this and go to this page. On this page you will be able to edit your video easily. Now go down here, click on text, this text option, and click on add text. Now as you can see, you can write your text, for example test, and click here to change the color. And now all what you have to do is go to animation option here and choose any template from these. You have many options, for example this one. As you can see, now as you can see, you can see the effect. It's so easy and professional. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.